Today I was at the U.S. Coast Guard military base from 0800 hours to 1700 hours Pacific Daylight Time, the 17th of June 2023. I'm getting my radio communications recertification as well as getting recertified for risk management. I wanted to test out my AllStar ClearNode HotSpot, so I brought it with me on base, and I decided to use this particular location to make my contact with an operator. And I successfully made contact with an operator using my Motorola APX8000 HXE, and it had no problem whatsoever connecting to the AllStar ClearNode HotSpot at the location of my vehicle. And the distance from this location to my vehicle, I will say, is probably 3 or 4 blocks, very close. So I knew it would connect. The farthest I've tested it on base today was 1 mile, and at 1 mile it still performed pretty well. I was in the training building pretty much all day, and I was also able to make connection with the AllStar ClearNode HotSpot from inside that building to my vehicle, and I'll show you the building. I'm doing this video to show you the distance from the location that I made the first contact to the location of my parked vehicle. And viewer camera left, you'll see a low profile glass building. That's the training center, and also near it is the mess hall. So I was pretty much in this area all day today, feeding and learning and getting recertified. And I was able to use my Motorola APX8000 HXE to hit the hotspot, the AllStar ClearNode HotSpot, which is located inside my vehicle. And we're coming up to my vehicle right now. I selected this particular vehicle today because I just like the spaciousness of it. And with all this gear that I want to use, I want to make sure the gear has enough space for air transfer to keep the AllStar ClearNode HotSpot cool, to keep the Goal Zero Sherpa 100 watt AC power bank cool, and also to keep the iPhone SE cool. And this is the setup. I'm very pleased with the setup. The next challenge is to get all this gear into a box or a carrying case, and that's going to be a challenge because I will need a fan to keep the Goal Zero Sherpa 100 watt AC power bank as well as the AllStar ClearNode HotSpot cool. But right now I'm pleased with my results, very happy. I can finally now use my AllStar ClearNode HotSpot mobile anywhere I go.